Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today y'all, I'm gonna be finally decorating my apartment for fall. Yeah, like I'm super late y'all. I'm behind on schedule with a lot of stuff. I'm currently working like 2 jobs. I think last year I was kind of late getting my fall decoration up. But y'all, I wasn't about to let this fall pass me by without like decorating. I just love fall that much. I even wore like orange shirt for this video. So yeah, I normally don't start decorating for Christmas until like after Thanksgiving anyway. So it's like the end of October now. So I get maybe a good month out of my fall decoration. So I did buy some new pieces this year, and I'm keeping some of the pieces that I had, last year. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to show y'all I'm gonna show y'all the new pieces that I, picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be putting up new curtains as well in my apartment. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got. So these tiles here, I went with the like fall theme. I got these from Dollar Tree. These are brown and these are like orange looking. So I wanted to add this in my kitchen, and I just got these little oven mitts. This is a brown one. I only got like one of those, and I picked up the pot holders too. And then also I went and picked up these from Dollar Tree. It says thankful leaves, everything pretty much fall related, harvest and all that. So I meant to get two, but I ended up with three somehow. I don't know, maybe I forgot I put it in the basket. But anyway, I got that. I'm gonna hang these in front of my stove. Yeah, so I picked up these little mini cone mix, and it's supposed to smell like cinnamon. Yeah, so I picked these up from Dollar Tree. I was hoping that they had some of these, so I'm gonna be putting these in a jar along with some more stuff. So I actually can smell the cinnamon. So yeah, I got these. I got like 3 of those, and right here are my curtains that I'm gonna be hanging up. And this is the 84-inch sailcloth panel. I got these from Walmart, and I love the material of this. So it's gonna look so good in my living room. So these are one of the jars. I got another jar like this in my room. So I picked up these little pumpkin candles. These are candles. So I picked up 2 of those. So yeah, I'm gonna be filling this jar with these little mini cones and some more stuff that I had from last year. So let's see. Yeah, I bought this little fall garland, 6-foot garland, and I'm gonna wrap it around my little tree plant that I have in my living room. So, and also y'all, I almost forgot. I'm gonna be putting these stickers on my refrigerator. I got these from Dollar General, and these were $1. The Harvest Cleans, and they got everything harvest and fall related. I got this one says fall breeze, autumn leaves, the pumpkins and all. It's just so nice. I'm gonna be putting one on my refrigerator and the other one on my deep freezer. So yeah, these are pretty much all the new pieces that I picked up. Okay, so with some of my decoration, I'm going to be switching it up. It's not going to be the same as last year. Like this basket, I'm just putting the leaves at the bottom, add my glittery pumpkins, and then I'm going to add my, little cone mix, and then I'm going to sit a candle in the middle of that. Yeah, I just love these leaves. They so colorful and pretty. And last year I had the little glittery pumpkins decorated on top of some of them. But this year I'm not doing it. I'm just going to put those inside my glass jars. So right now I'm about to just take everything off this table and I'm moving it to the kitchen so I can decorate in there. So yeah, here's an up close look of what it's, looking like. So yeah, with this garland, I wasn't sure how I was gonna, add it on here. So I'm just gonna be, wrap it in like a spiral effect until it, looks full. So y'all, I already done added, the little brackets for the rod. Only thing I need to do now is just add the curtains to the rod and hang them up. So y'all, it looks like I picked the wrong type of window cover. I thought I was getting the right one, but as I'm putting them up now, they're not wide enough to cover both of my windows. So that's the one that I was wanting to cover up, my entire window and not partial. So I may have to take these back to Walmart.